I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beautiful rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's so very much nice to see you again, and welcome if you're here for the first time. I really hope that you enjoy my little short film in the beginning. This is not a tattoo. I don't have any tattoos, and if I were to have one, this is definitely not what I would get. I kind of skipped my makeup because I didn't do anything special today.
But I do want to film my hair.
Because again,
excrement.
as you can tell, my hair is black and it's also like dry as f. It's because I bleached it in the past. One day, I just decided I will never bleach my hair again. Simply because my hair is too thin.
And you just can't hang.
But you know, sometimes you just like
Don't like want to be a little different.
a little quick change. For that reason, I decided to buy colored hair extensions. So today we're gonna be playing with these pieces. I just straightened my hair. Now we're gonna get to the fun part. Catfish part. We're gonna add some color. But before that, I think I'm gonna open the window because it's getting hot in here. So I got these from Amazon. Fake hair, but it feels real. I'm really picky with my hair. This is a 16-inch. Oh my god! 100% human hair. Wait, what? That's why it feels real.
Okay.
There's 7 pieces. Adding black hair on top of a black hair wasn't that obvious, but this one, I'm not gonna lie, it is harder to work with. You can just see more. If you f up the back, you're gonna look funny. But that's why I learned about this little secret. So step number 1, we're going to divide our hair. Oh. And it's gonna be on the very bottom of my hair. And then you have a few options. The right way, the longer way, or you can take a shortcut and do it the lazy way. I kind of want to take the shortcut. Basically, you can braid this or twist it. I think I'm just twisting it. All the way.
6 months later.
I'm going to twist it again and attach it to my hair. And then we're going to use a bobby pin to kind of like secure it there. I'm gonna use another bobby pin to double secure.
And then
We're gonna take the shortest piece of hair. I'm gonna put it underneath. Yes, underneath my hair. And we're gonna clip that bit. I like to make my shit tight, especially when I'm going out. Then I'm gonna grab another 2-clip piece. Now I'm gonna place it on the top of my little pigtail. Finally, we're gonna take the 3rd clip in and place it on top of the other one. And we back. Anyway, so we're done with all the 2 pieces. So now we have 3 long, like 3 pieces and 1 like 4 piece or 5 piece. I don't know. We're gonna divide our hair again right above the project that we've been just working on. Look at this. Just dyed my hair. The shortest, longest one. I mean, these 2 pieces are the same size. So I'm gonna place it right at the line. You already know the drill. If I perfect this hair, I would definitely go lighter. We're gonna do the same exact thing again. I'm gonna put the 2nd shorter piece. Now we're at our last level. I'm gonna start with the longest piece at the very side of my head, so it would end somewhere here, and then I would add a single piece. And like a cherry on top. Something like that. Okay, so I don't really know how I feel around this. Can't even tell that I have a different hair color. Maybe a little bit, yeah, actually. I hope it looks good. Alright, well, so now I look cute for no reason. I'm gonna actually run some errands, and I really do not need to look like this while I'm running errands. Anyway, thank you so much for attending my little tutorial.